Hey everyone, it's Lily. Are you ready to make your date night unforgettable? We're talking next level, show-stopping, are you even single anymore? Kind of night. Let's dive into some amazing tips to dress in style and completely wow your date. We're gonna break down some serious style hacks that are so easy, even can do them. Let's get you ready to conquer date night. First things first, you gotta start with a foundation that screams, I actually tried. And no, I don't mean caking on 3 layers of makeup. We're talking about your outfit, fam. Make sure your clothes are freshly laundered because smelling like last week's takeout is not cute. We're going for irresistible, not run for the hills. And for the love of all that is stylish, make sure your clothes fit you properly. No one wants to see you swimming in fabric or looking like you borrowed your little brother's shirt. All right, listen up, Buttercup, because this is where the magic happens. Accessories are your secret weapon to take your outfit from May to marry me. A nice watch? Boom! Instant sophistication points. A stylish belt? Hello! Waistline! And don't even get me started on the power of a statement piece of jewelry. Trust me, the right accessories can make all the difference. Chapter 3. Shoes, your secret weapon. Okay, people, gather round because I'm about to drop some serious shoe wisdom. Your shoes are like the exclamation point of your outfit. They can make or break your entire look, so choose wisely. Make sure they're clean because nothing screams I give up like scuffed up sneakers. And for crying out loud, please make sure they match your outfit. We're not going for a fashion crime here. Chapter 4. Grooming game strong. Hold up before you run out the door looking like a snack. Let's talk about grooming. No, I'm not talking about brushing your teeth, though that's important too. I'm talking about the whole package. Make sure your hair is on point because looking like you just rolled out of bed is not the vibe. And if you're rocking any facial hair, for the love of all that is holy, make sure it's trimmed and tidy. Chapter 5. Let your freak flag fly, just a little. Okay, so you've got the clean outfit, the killer accessories, the perfect shoes, and you're groomed to perfection. But something's missing. Your personality. Don't be afraid to add a little touch of you to your outfit. Whether it's a quirky tie, a unique piece of jewelry, or a pop of color that screams your name, let your style shine through. This is your chance to show your date who you really are, so don't be afraid to get a little creative. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you're sure to impress on your date night. Remember, confidence is your best accessory, so rock that outfit like you own it. But most importantly, don't forget to be yourself and have fun. Because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.